Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics and discovering how Mendel's law of independent assortment changed everything. You might have heard of Gregor Mendel, the Austrian monk who's often called the father of genetics. His groundbreaking work with pea plants laid the foundation for how we understand heredity today. One of his key discoveries, the law of independent assortment. So, what exactly is Mendel's law of independent assortment? This law states that genes located on different chromosomes are inherited independently of each other. Simply put, the inheritance of one gene does not affect the inheritance of another, as long as they're on separate chromosomes or far apart on the same chromosome. Cool, right? Now let's talk experiments. Mendel didn't just do simple crosses with one trait. No, he went further with dihybrid crosses, where he tracked two traits at once. For example, he crossed purebred yellow round-seeded plants with purebred green wrinkled-seeded plants. The first generation, or F1, all showed dominant traits, yellow and round. But when these F1 plants self-pollinated, the next generation, or F2, had a variety of combinations. Imagine a 9:3:1 ratio of yellow, round to green, wrinkled, and all the in-betweens. This variety led Mendel to propose that the inheritance of one trait, like seed color, doesn't influence another, like seed shape, if the genes are on different chromosomes. That's the law of independent assortment. Why does this matter? This law is crucial for understanding genetic variation. It explains how offspring can have unique trait combinations, contributing to the biodiversity we see in sexually reproducing organisms. By inheriting a mix of traits from both parents, organisms are better equipped for survival and evolution. But wait, there's more. While Mendel's law applies to many traits, there are exceptions. For instance, gene linkage happens when genes are close together on the same chromosome, meaning they're usually inherited together. And during meiosis, chromosomes can exchange segments through crossing over, creating new allele combinations. Plus, some traits show codominance or incomplete dominance, where the classic dominant recessive rules don't apply. Despite these exceptions, Mendel's law of independent assortment remains a cornerstone in genetics. It helps us understand how traits are passed from one generation to the next, especially when genes are on different chromosomes. So there you have it, Mendel's law of independent assortment, a fundamental principle that continues to shape our understanding of genetics and the incredible diversity of life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into genetics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome science content. See you next time.